Hey guys, Runner React 211 here. You requested in the community post that I do something. Eat freaking spicy ramen noodles. And I'll do it. Got Gatorade because I couldn't find any milk. There is milk, but it's disgusting, so. Doesn't mean all milk is disgusting, but not a big ass bite. I mean, it's good. That's good. That's good. It's a little, not too spicy. It's really burned from last time, but I'm starting to deal with it.
You're starting to deal with it, my dog.
Oh yeah, my dog.
You're gonna have to deal with it.
Gonna have to deal with it, my dog.
It's gonna get you ready for some of life's spicy situations.
True. Like getting divorced.
Yep.
Having kids who hate you.
Yep.
Kids wasting your money on battle passes. That's really spicy. But I can deal with it, guys. Have some more. It's starting to get delicious now. Orange Gatorade, shout out. Also, my brother freaking filming me on the other chair. Say your name, Marcus. Where the hell you bang on the table? Okay, whatever. It's like a quarter left. I have no idea. The only A I got in school is geography. These are nuclear fire noodles, so they're the spiciest one on the brand. I gotta stop wasting my Gatorade. Let's get this big ass butt right here. This is actually a lot better than I expected.
Put more sauce in it.
Put more sauce in it?
Yeah.
Well, the last time I got so sober, and almost freaking sick. But this is like 3/4 of the sauce that's in, but it's still super spicy, but. Let's finish the rest off with some other. Well, I gotta get some more Gatorade. Okay, so I'm back with another Gatorade. I still have the spiciness in my mouth, but okay, that should be good. Actually, more. Don't throw that at me, please. Thank you. Brother was gonna throw something at me. Oh, Jesus! Can somebody help me open this? Oh, there we go. I got some more left. Got some. Woo, that's a thing. Oh, hold on. Sorry if that was uncomfortable, guys. I try not to do that too much in my vids. Alright, so from all that Gatorade and all that, excuse me, I got some more. I've got some more ramen here. Excuse me. Let's just get a smaller amount this time. Just a little, take some of this off. Mom, why'd you take a picture of me? Sorry guys, I'm really picky as hell. I wonder. Okay, so I had to cut the video off for embarrassing family moments, so I'm just gonna keep eating it till there's some left. I mean, I got some here. I can actually think I can eat with chopsticks now. I have no idea, but alright, that's good. Like I said, more embarrassing family moments. And another one, so I'm basically just gonna grab a small amount. This is good. I mean, a amount I can find. That should be it. Pretty full. But thank you if you enjoyed.